Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Introducing Terry and the guy who hides.
No, the guide inside.
Terry and the guide inside.
Guided, episode 5, the massage. Grief is messy, sacred, loud, quiet, ugly, and it comes in waves, in sobs and in silence. And in this moment, it's pouring out of her, tears streaming, heart cracked wide open, crying not just about life, but about a friend who's no longer there. This is a comment from Life's a Beach 444 on the YouTube channel. And then it starts, that thing, the tingles. It's a gentle scalp massage, slow, steady, as if someone unseen is stroking her head. Not in a spooky way, in a I've got you kind of way. She feels the presence, real, undeniable. But not today, not in this moment. She stands up, yells. She's angry, heartbroken, raw, and the tingling, it stops immediately. Gone. But not for long. Because when she finally calms down, breathing slower, softer, it comes back, full on. She doesn't know exactly who it is. Is it a guide? Is it her friend? She dreamt once that he sent a beam of light straight into her, and it feels like that. Here's what she knows for sure. Whoever they are, they got her back, even when she completely loses it. Even when she's furious, screaming a total mess, especially then. So, not all presence is loud. Not all support comes with words. Sometimes it's just a touch, a tingle, a knowing that we're not alone, even when we feel the most lost. Have you felt something like this? A touch, a presence, a moment you can't explain, but cannot deny? Send it to me. You can write, make an audio clip or a video. Check out the descriptions for how to do that. So this is Guided, true stories of help from somewhere unseen. Until next time, my friend.